sis, brother, mother, father, what you doing? Like, y'all need to hop on the wave with these bundles. What's up, you guys? It's Akeya here, and today we're gonna be talking about the best bundles I have ever tried. I've been wanting to do this review for a minute, and I actually recorded this review before, but I was really tired that night and I wasn't about to put that up. Yeah, these are literally the best bundles I've ever tried. I know you're probably like, the best bundles you've ever tried? Yes, I say like a lot. I'm gonna try to stop saying like so much, but I've tried AliExpress. I've tried multiple AliExpress brands. I've tried some Amazon hair. I've tried Unice. I never know how to say that hair company, but I've tried multiple brands, and the quality of this is just, it doesn't compare. Yeah, I'm gonna break it down to you guys so you can understand, and hopefully, you may see what I see in these bundles and you go get you some. All right, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this review, and let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed when I first purchased this hair, I purchased this hair beginning of the year. I was on the search for a good, my necklace just came off. All right, that's cool. I seen my friend was a brand ambassador for this company. The hair color really nice. She always makes sure she's popping, her wigs are popping, her bundles are popping. So I investigated, my little twatching. I was tweet watching, I investigated a little bit, and I seen that she was looking for a brand ambassador, the lady over the company. So I was like, I can be a brand ambassador or whatever. So I am a brand ambassador for the company. Don't think I'm making this review because I'm a brand ambassador. Yeah, I really enjoy these bundles. Like, if y'all can't even see by the quality of them already, look at that. But yeah. So the first thing I noticed when I got the hair sent to me was the thickness. The hair was so thick for each bundle. I'll try to insert a clip of when I bought it and when I recorded, but I got the Malaysian body wave, and the body wave was so cute. I wanted to have the hair in that body wave before I even did anything to it, before I even washed it or whatever. But the girl who did my wig, she straightened it without my permission, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, it was this really pretty body wave, but like I said, the girl who did my wig, she straightened it. But the hair was just so flowy and silky, and it was just really nice. It was like, when your hair blow in the wind and it don't stay there, but it goes back into place, and it gives you this natural little this natural little volume. I was blown away. I'm like, wow, this is the first time I actually got my money's worth of some bundles. Cause I don't really like to spend money on anything, but I didn't really like to spend money on hair because I just didn't think why should hair be worth $200 to $300? But I could see the quality, I can see the difference, and spending just a little bit more, not too much, but just a little bit more for some quality, and it definitely does make a difference. So if you're looking for bundles, you may want to put the extra penny in, because it does make a world of a difference. But even with that, this whole little set I have in my head, I don't think she's doing wigs or units yet, but she probably will soon. But I have in 3 bundles and a closure. I think I got an 18, 20, 22 for the bundles and an 18-inch closure, and this whole thing was under $200. I don't think y'all hear me. If you are a girl who buy weave, forget 3 bundles, a closure for under $200. That's a steal. It's a steal. I don't know what else is. She got a one deal going on where it's 3 bundles in a closure. So yeah, and plus my discount, you get more money off. So what are you doing, sis? I hate the word sis, but sis, brother, mother, father, what you doing? Y'all need to hop on the wave with these bundles. Y'all need to hop on the wave before it's too late. So oh my gosh, when you wash this hair, it gets this really beautiful curly wave. I think I said I don't know but if I didn't show you guys the clip of when I try to record this video, here it is again. But it gets in this beautiful silky curly wave. I really love these bundles. it's really like emotional. No, it's not. I mean, it is kind of emotional because I've been trying to find some good bundles, and this is it. Like, I made it. This is it. Here I stand. These bundles on the day. No, just kidding. I didn't even mention the name of the bundles. The bundles are called Shady Biz Extensions.net. Of course, I'll include the website in the below. Also, my code if you want to support your girl. You know, if you want to support me or whatever, and you want to get some money off your bundles, I'll definitely leave it below. Hope you guys see what I see in these bundles. I'm gonna have some clips of the hair of me and all the different styles and stuff that I wear the hair. But yeah, I definitely think you guys should invest in these bundles. If you do, let me know, cause send me all your pictures. Let me know. I would love to see you guys rocking these bundles like I do. I plan to get more variety of hair textures, styles, and all that. But right now I'm saving money. So when I already got this good quality wig right now anyway, but right now I'm saving money, so I can't spend as much as I want to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Of course, if you have any questions, leave them all below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.